Hello, my friend. Kirkshinta Turnipseed here with KirkshintaTurnipseed.com. I don't know why I'm so tongue-tied today. But anyways, I'm here to tell you how you can make a one-time $7 investment into a $7 funnel business tool. And you can make yourself eligible and ready to go out and make $6 commissions over and over and over again. Okay, unlimited $6 commissions. You can leverage this $7 one-time $7 funnel into $1,000 a month business or more. Okay, so here's how this works. This is a $7 one-time funnel that you pay for, and it's what it's going to do is help you build your primary business by helping you build a list, attract leads, get them on a list, and then the system is going to follow up for you. So in the system are automated emails already done for you, and it's going to follow up with people about your primary offer. So whatever your primary business is, it could be a salon, it could be a Bitcoin company, it could be a wellness company. It's going to promote your primary offer in the emails. But here's why this system is a win-win offer. Rather people buy for you or not, it's also going to promote lead lightning. So it's going to alternate between your primary and lead lightning. So if they don't buy in your primary business, you have another opportunity to make commissions off of that person by sharing with them this business building tool that anyone who's looking to make money online needs this tool. Okay, again, you could be a salon and you need this tool to be able to communicate with the people who are your leads for your salon automatically. All right, so that's it. That's what this tool helps you do. Okay, and I want to show you what the screens look like. So when you join Lead Lightning, I have the Power Lead system because I upgraded, but I started with the $7 funnel. But rather you have Power Lead system or Lead Lightning, when you join, it's going to look like this. It's going to have a getting started button. You'll click on it. You'll come to this screen, and then it'll say, do you want to advertise referral link A or referral link B? Now you can put whatever link you want here. So if you had a Bitcoin company, I don't even have a Bitcoin company, but I'm just using that as an example. You would put that link there, and then you would copy referral link B, and it tells you that referral link B will promote Lead Lightning and your primary business. Okay, you would copy that link, and that's the link you would go out and promote, and that's that. Okay, now in this system, it is also a training suite. So once you join Lead Lightning, there you have a free training suite as well, where it gives you information on how to start marketing this system and how to do it. And there's free trainings every week and things like that. So that you can't beat that for $7. Okay, this system, this $7 system, could easily go for $97 a month, with all of the value that's included in this system. All right. So, any marketer, anyone who's online, they need a system like this. So it's easy to promote. It's what I call a no-brainer offer. It's a front-end offer. You could use this system to be able to pay for your primary business and not have fees that you're carrying every month. So that's it. All right. I also wanted to show you what it looks like. So once you sign up, you're going to get a lead. You're going to get a free capture page. It looks like this. So let me log in just to show you. This is not actually my email address. It's like a junk email address. Okay. So once a person logs in and joins your list, they're going to immediately be taken to this page. Okay. And it's going to be the Lead Lightning system. And it's going to show them, it's going to tell them what Lead Lightning is, everything I just already said to you, but it's going to explain, just like I did, that Lead Lightning is perfect for beginners, that you can start generating commissions immediately, that it creates daily buyer leads, that it helps generate leads and enrollments to your primary business, and that it includes professionally written autoresponder campaigns to help you boost sales in your primary business. If you don't know what to say to people, this system already has professionally written autoresponder emails going out to people to encourage them to buy from you, right? It's like a closer in a box. All right, no monthly fees, and that's easy to use. and then it gives them the opportunity to go ahead and get started with Lead Lightning. But if you're like most people and you want more information, there's testimonials here. It explains everything that it does, okay? That it helps you build a buyer list and boost sales and enrollments. It explains that it's one time and everything else that you need to know. And if you don't have a primary business, it's a business in a box. You could still make money off of this system, okay? And that's it. It also explains about the training that I already talked to you about the back office and all the training on how to get free traffic, which is what most online marketers struggle with. How to get traffic, how to get eyeballs on your offer. Well, they're going to train you on that. That's worth the $7 or alone. That's it. All right. And that's it. Then a little bit more testimonials and boom, join for $7 in the buy now button. That's it. So if you are ready to really take this marketing system and start making money with it, go ahead and check out the comment section below, and there'll be information on how you could contact me and how you can get this system. And once you invest in yourself, in your business, and get this system, I am going to put you in a free marketing group where I'm going to show you step by step how myself and other entrepreneurs have been leveraging this system. Okay, step by step, what we do to promote, what we're doing to leverage this system and make $100 a day or more. That's what we're doing as a team. All right. So that's it. I will give you access to that once you join Lead Lightning with me. And that's it. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe, and take care to success in your business.